We received this question: is worrying about anxiety symptoms an underlying factor of anxiety disorder? Worrying about anxiety symptoms is not an underlying factor of anxiety disorder per se. Anxiety is caused by anxious behavior. That's when we believe we could be in danger or experience an unwanted unpleasantness. So, worry itself is an underlying factor that motivates problems with anxiety. Therefore, worry is an underlying factor, but the subject of that worry isn't. As you can imagine, you can worry about anything if you believe it could cause harm or an unwanted unpleasantness. So again, it's not the subject you are worrying about that is an underlying factor of anxiety disorder. It's the behavior of worry that's the underlying factor. Dealing with adversity, uncertainty, and risk in overly anxious ways, such as worry, is one of the most common underlying factors that drive anxiety disorder. Thankfully, we can learn to approach adversity, uncertainty, and risk in healthy ways rather than in anxious, worrisome ways. Making this important behavioral change can eliminate unhealthy worry and ultimately anxiety disorder itself. Working with an experienced anxiety disorder therapist is the most effective way to identify and successfully address the many underlying factors that drive issues with unhealthy anxiety. It's also the best way to learn and anchor the behavioral skills necessary to eliminate issues with anxiety. It's our experience that a self-help approach alone seldom produces meaningful or lasting results, and there are many reasons why. You can read the article, "Why Do You Recommend Therapy to Overcome Anxiety Disorder?" for more information about why a self-help approach is seldom effective. The link is in the description. We've seen too many people struggle with anxiety disorder for years when they could have overcome it far sooner with the right information and help. This is why we constantly recommend working with an experienced anxiety disorder therapist. It is the best way to overcome anxiety issues once and for all, just like all of us with AnxietyCenter.com have done, as well as so many others. As we say, the road to anxiety disorder recovery is now well known and well traveled. Don't waste years like I did. It's not worth it. Get the help you need and get on with your life. Life can be great again and without the bother of problematic anxiety.